In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google your default search engine in Microsoft Edge. Launch Microsoft Edge web browser. If I search for something here, you can see that Edge is using its own search engine, which is Microsoft Bing. To change the search engine, click on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. In the left side menu, click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down. Click on Address Bar and Search. Change the search engine used in the address bar from Bing to Google. Now, if I open a new tab and search for something, you can see that Edge is using Google as a search engine.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.